Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 6800 XT Gaming 16G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website and click on this title of the graphic card. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all the operating system driver download and installations process same. Select, this is your driver and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time to download. And after that click on three dot and click to download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.